Hey everyone, welcome back to the Real English Podcast. This is a safe and friendly place to learn real English, build confidence, and improve your life step by step. My name is Emily. I am really happy you are here today. If you are listening right now, that means you are doing something good for yourself. Good job.
Hi, everyone. I am Victor. Thank you for spending your time with us today. Before we begin, let me ask you something simple. Are you listening while walking, sitting, or relaxing at home? Wherever you are, take a deep breath. You are learning. You are improving.
And if this podcast helps you, please like, follow, and subscribe. It really supports our work and helps more learners find us. All right, today's topic is very important. We are going to talk about small habits, daily English, and how tiny actions can change your life.
Yes, this episode is not about big dreams or fast success. It is about small steps, the kind of steps you can take today, the kind of steps that actually work.
Let me tell you a short story. Yesterday evening, I was sitting on my sofa. I was not doing anything special. I was just quiet. And a question came to my mind. Why do some people change their lives, but others stay the same for years?
That is a great question. I think many people think about this. You see someone improve their English, you see someone become confident, and you think, why not me?
Exactly. And then I realized something important. Learning English is very similar to changing your life. At the beginning, English feels hard. Too many words, too many mistakes, too much fear.
Yes, I remember that feeling. When I started learning English, I thought I needed perfect grammar. I thought I needed big vocabulary. But I was wrong.
Same here. What really helped me was simple daily practice. Not 1 hour, not 2 hours, just a few minutes every day.
And that is what we will practice today. Simple English, real English, English you can use in your daily life.
So let us start with something easy. Listen first, then we will discuss. Then we will listen again.
Here is a very simple sentence. I wake up at 7.
I wake up at 7. Very simple. Wake up means open your eyes in the morning.
Let me give another example. I wake up early on weekdays.
Now you try in your head. What time do you wake up? You do not need to speak, just think.
Good job. Now let's add one more sentence. After I wake up, I drink water.
After I wake up, I drink water. This is a healthy habit. It is also easy English.
My example is very real. After I wake up, I drink water and check my phone.
Many people do that. Now listen again. I wake up at 7. After I wake up, I drink water.
You see? Short sentences, clear meaning, real life.
This is how English becomes easier. Not big grammar rules, but simple habits.
And habits are also the key to changing your life. People often wait for motivation, but motivation doesn't come first.
Action comes first. When you take action, motivation follows.
Let me share something personal. I waited a long time to start speaking English. I was scared. I thought I would make mistakes.
That fear is very common. Many learners feel the same.
But one day, I spoke anyway. I made mistakes. Nothing bad happened. That moment changed everything.
That is a powerful lesson. Mistakes are not the enemy. Silence is.
Now let's learn a new phrase, a very useful one. Small steps.
Small steps means tiny actions, not big actions, small ones.
For example, I take small steps to improve my English.
Another example, every day I take small steps to feel better.
Now listen again. I take small steps to improve my English.
Say it in your mind, slowly. Good job.
When you take small steps, you feel less pressure.
Yes, pressure stops many people. They think they must be perfect.
But perfect doesn't exist.
Done is better than perfect.
That sentence is very important. Done is better than perfect.
It means finishing something is better than waiting forever.
For example, I speak English, even if it is not perfect.
I study for 5 minutes. It's done. It's enough.
Now, let's talk about daily habits. Habits are things you do again and again.
Brushing your teeth is a habit. Checking your phone is a habit.
Learning English can be a habit too.
Here's a simple habit sentence. I practice English every day.
I practice English every day. Not for hours, just every day.
My example. I practice English while cooking.
That's a great example. Learning fits into life.
Now listen again. I practice English every day.
Good job. You are improving already.
Let's add food. Everyone eats. Food sentences are very useful.
Here's a simple one. My quick breakfast is a banana.
My quick breakfast is a banana. Very natural, very real.
Another example. My breakfast is toast and coffee.
Now think, what is your breakfast?
Good. You are thinking in English.
This is progress, small but real.
Now let's talk about mindset. Mindset means how you think.
There are two main mindsets, fixed and growth.
Fixed mindset says, I can't do this.
Growth mindset says, I can improve.
Listen to this sentence. I am improving every day.
I am improving every day. Very powerful.
Say it in your mind.
Your brain listens to your words.
If you say negative things, your brain believes them.
So choose kind words.
Now, a daily sentence. Today is a good day to practice English.
Today is a good day to practice English.
Yes, today, not tomorrow.
Waiting is easy. Starting is better.
Now let's practice a short dialogue. Listen first.
I wake up at 7. I drink water. I eat a banana. I practice English.
Very simple life, very good habits.
Now listen again slowly. I wake up at 7. I drink water. I eat a banana. I practice English.
You can do this too.
Let's talk about environment. Environment means people and things around you.
The people you listen to shape your thinking.
That's why podcasts help.
And why communities help.
Here's a useful sentence. I listen to English every day.
I listen to English every day while walking.
Great example.
Listening builds confidence.
Speaking builds courage.
Now a speaking sentence. I try to speak English every day.
I try to speak English every day.
Try is an important word.
Trying is enough.
Now let's repeat some key phrases. Small steps, every day.
I wake up at 7.
I practice English every day.
Done is better than perfect.
I am improving every day.
Very good. You are doing great.
Let's slow down and breathe.
Learning is not a race.
It is a journey.
Before we finish, let's recap.
Small steps change your life.
Simple English builds confidence.
Daily practice beats big plans.
Mistakes are part of learning.
And you are not alone.
Now we want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
What is your breakfast?
And when do you practice English?
Your answers matter.
Thank you for learning with us today.
We are proud of you.
Keep going.
Keep practicing.
See you next time on the Real English Podcast.
Bye for now.